Loops in a program. A loop allows a set of instructions or a block of code to be executed repeatedly. It helps in automating repetitive tasks and make the code more efficient by avoiding the need to write the same instructions multiple times. When a loop repeats forever, endlessly, it is called an infinite loop. There are two types of loops, which are as follows. Counting loops. These repeat a block of code a specific number of times. Conditional loops. These repeat until a certain condition is reached, which means they keep going until the condition remains true. For example, Robbie has to paint these blank boxes to make a letter U. The program will be program without a loop, program with a loop. Look at another examples. 1. Move one step down, repeat 6 times. Fill color, move one right. 2. Repeat until reached last column. Fill color, move one right.